So many people are just going through life, one thing after another, and they're just autopiloting. And so I try to keep the patients very present. And yeah, it takes a long time. Once you get clear on your goals about what you want, then to find somebody else who gets on board and cheerleads for you and truly is loyal. Yeah, it's tough. And I'm not sure I'm very good at it, but I seem to have manifested a fairly good team right now. So it's a lot of fun.
I know there's a lot of professions that have their own sort of associations, such as teachers, accountants, of course, CPAs. Is there anything like that exists for chiropractors?
Yeah, we have a state association. I'm super active in it. And so I'm on the education committee, and we try to create as many collaborative events as possible. We're trying to create more of a community through that as well. And, it's a struggle because chiropractors see themselves as lone wolves. They see themselves as being on islands all by themselves, and they have to fix their own problems and do-it-yourselfers and all the things, which is part of the reason the videos are so good, because do-it-yourselfers love videos. They love to just sit in their own quiet room. Nobody knows they're asking for help, but they get the help they need. So that's why I created those. But yeah, our state association is great, but I think we only have about 500 members still, and out of 1,500. And come on, people, come and join the party. So it's tough to get chiropractors to jump on board, again, because a lot of them are so busy, and I understand that. But making time to grow your tools and work on your practice instead of in it is worth millions. It's fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Can you kind of tell us a little bit about the team environment or the office atmosphere, the clinic atmosphere at All Seasons?
Oh yeah, we have so much fun there. Oh my gosh. We actually have this thing on the wall that are buttons on the way out. And as you walk out the door, you high five it and it goes awesome or sweet or amazing. It's just, we have so much fun in the practice. It's ridiculous. My office manager, her name's Leah. She's super fantastic. The patients, I think, prefer to see her over me even. And so that's a lot of fun. And then I have another chiropractor who just joined our team, Dr. Ashley, and she's an acupuncturist and a chiropractor, and she's a lot of fun too. So we just have a blast every day in the practice. Everyone comes in, sits in the massage chair, chats up, and comes in. Our visits are about 15 minutes long, and they get to be loved on, and they go home feeling better. So it's a lot of fun.
Was it difficult kind of creating your own team and finding the right people that fit within your own goals?
Always. It is always. The first piece of that is always figuring out what my goals are. I'm one of those weird people who love change. The patients will come in and the furniture will be moved around, or I'll have a new painting on the wall. I love change because I feel like change keeps you present in the moment when you notice the thing that's different. And so many people are just going through life, one thing after another, and they're just autopiloting. And so I try to keep the patients very present. And yeah, it takes a long time. Once you get clear on your goals about what you want, then to find somebody else who gets on board and cheerleads for you and truly is loyal. Yeah, it's tough. And I'm not sure I'm very good at it, but I seem to have manifested a fairly good team right now. So it's a lot of fun.